Wildflowers are coming out. Vines are in a growth spurt. Every day reaching a couple of feet higher. Olives are just busting with buds and getting ready to flower. I'm gonna take a walk down. Look at that. Just so beautiful. Look at that. Every branch just with hundreds of buds on them. Been a lot more diligent this year and relying on just myself to keep tabs of water, keep tabs of the irrigation, making sure that anything that's been torn up is replaced quickly. We've also had some rains, which is nice. This is our Avenida de Portugal. Right, Mario? Yeah, that's Mario said yes. I mean, gosh, that tree is like 15 feet high. How beautiful this is. All those buds. Just crazy. Those are flowering already. They opened up. So it cooled off a little bit here, but it got warm, which really helped promote flowering. You can hear Diogo up there crying or something. Look at that. Busting with flowers. And of course the mustard weed. We never have problems growing mustard weed. Now this tree didn't really fruit much last year.